Yo guys, welcome back to another video, and in today's video we'll be talking about tropical cyclone Ruby. Just sorry I did not do a video yesterday. It did get designated Sunday night. I'm sorry I did not do a video. I'm sorry I didn't do a video yesterday um because I was kind of busy, guys. But you know, we've got Tropical Storm Rara, whatever its name is. Now, this system could be a a big system. As you can see right now, it's 35 knots, which is 40 miles an hour. And see, this is the cone of uncertainty. Now, it could travel anywhere in this cone. Anywhere in this cone. It can go outside of the cone, and it can go inside of the cone. It can go like that, for instance, or it could go like that, or it could go like that. You don't really know what the storm's going to do, because you got the high press system here, which obviously is pushing it towards the west and then moving up north a little bit, which is really good, because, you know, it won't be good that the Philippines will be impacted. Now, luckily, this is not going to be a major hurricane. Models, though, are hinting that it could be a major hurricane in the South China Sea. If I show you GFS Ravia, whatever its name is, right? You see, it starts to become a big type system. See, look, it's just a small tropical cyclone. It starts to become a big system by the 15th. It becomes 955, 953, 960, and 60. Then it weakens. So yeah, it weakens like this. So it's basically, the reason why it weakens is because it's got southwesterly wind shear, plus dry air starts to pick up and infiltrating in the system, which is, you know, not really looking as good. Now, you're probably thinking, oh, well, it's not going to form this thing because it's a sloppy mess on the model. No, actually, because the center is there. You're probably thinking, oh, why is that big clunk there? Well, that big clunk was the old center. Yes, it was the old center. And obviously that connects to this bit over here, which makes it one big center. And obviously you got the convection, which is improving. And obviously you do have that wind shear. And obviously the wind shear doesn't go away. The wind shear goes away and boom. You have a massive ring of minus 70 to 80 degree cloud tops right here. And obviously you got, becomes 955 millibars. Now this is a category 4 right here. And yeah, it's definitely 100% a category 4. Hitting the Philippines, you know, the Philippines are gonna be in devastation. 953, it's gonna be making landfall, so nearly as a strong category 4. And obviously it weakens, obviously, and then it goes over water for a couple of hours, intensifies to its second peak, rapidly weakens until there's literally nothing left. No convection whatsoever. The center's bare. You only got these bits of moisture, which is not as frequent as it was when it was here. Because when it was here, You know, that moisture, you know, it was circulating around the system, and boom. You see, when the system was here, you had all of this moisture band here, you had all of this convection here, you had the center circulation there, you had the convection pushing, you had the moisture pushing in the Philippines, and it makes landfall in the Philippines. It does get all ragged up after, and then goes over the Philippines. As you can see, the convection just starts to wane a bit. As you can see it. You can see the storm starting to get, you know, more disorganized as, you know, that wind shear picks up. That dry air starts to pick up. You see, breaking in that moisture right there. And then, boom. Boom. There we go. Right, guys, now I'm going to show you, Ruby. Right, I'm going to show you Ruby. Ruby Dooby. Meant to become a Category 2 on the Southern System Hurricane Wind Scale. But if Ravi on the HWRF scale is meant to become not as strong, actually. But its peak, its actual peak is meant to be here. That's where its actual peak is. Now, if I show you simulated IR imagery, look at that eye right there. No joke. Look at that eye wall. That is one big eye wall right there. Now, if I show you the GFS Ravi right now, if you have a look, that's what it looks like now. If you see, it starts to get its convection good. Looking. Boom, has a great, massive eye. See how big this eye is. That's a good looking eye. Now, when it makes a landfall, yeah, I can understand why the eye is actually out. You see, you got all this good ring of minus 90-degree cloud tops, you know. You got good moisture banding as well. So, yeah. And I'm going to show you some satellite imagery of these systems. And then I'm going to have to, you know, end the video there, guys. As I'm kind of busy and I have to go to bed about 9 o'clock. So I probably won't have time to edit this video tonight, guys. Yes, I'll have time to edit it all next week, as it's Christmas. Christmas Day, I won't be doing a video, guys, because I'm going to be spending time with my family, and, you know, it's good to spend time with your family and all that jazz, so, yeah. Anyway, I'm going to show you Weather Nerds. Weather Nerds, satellite, custom satellite zooms. Storm floaters. Now, I was going to show you Ravi, but at the same time, I'm going to show you Ruby. Ruby, looks alright, I guess. It's not the best looking system ever, but, you know, it's still a decent looking system, to say the least, you know. There's New Caledonia. Don't know, I think the center is there. Now, whenever it's going to do that, we're not quite sure. We do have those moisture bandings, but as you can see here, you can see that. Let me just pause it for a second. Mm-hmm. Right, you can see this bit here. Right. That bit there where I underlined is starting to become displaced from the system. Now, you can see that wind shear, which is kind of strong in the Pacific, I'm not gonna lie. So, yeah. I will show you storm floaters for Ravia, or Ravi, whatever you want to call it. Ready up. Looking at this system, it's kind of nighttime right now, so I'm gonna have to show you IR satellite imagery. So, yeah. Look how good this system is. You know, you got banding. You know, you got this here, which is good. So, yeah, anyway, guys, hope you enjoyed the video. If you don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, share. So, just check the NSC before go. Atlantic. Active storms. Global tropical weather alerts. 5 days. Nope. Nothing on there whatsoever. Nothing on there whatsoever as well. So, yeah. Everything is on active and, you know, not ready to form. The seasons here should start to kick off in May. Hopefully we don't have another La Nina, but yeah, if we do have another La Nina, we're screwed anyway. Hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share. See you in the next video. Peace and have a good day.